Real hot girl shit.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you my curly hair routine. I'm gonna show you guys how I got these cute curls that last me for a really long time, right? So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna start by wetting my hair, and then I'm gonna go through and like finger detangle it first. Then I'm gonna put some product on it. And then some gel. Okay. And after that, now I'm gonna add some product to it. And then I'm gonna add my gel to it. I'm detangling this portion of my hair. I'm basically gonna have my hair like drenched because that's the easiest way for me to detangle it. And then I am going to finger detangle my hair. If you are not tender-headed, you can just get a comb and comb through your hair, but I don't really like using a comb because it hurts. So I use my fingers. I'm gonna add my product in it, my curling custard. I'm just gonna rub it through my hair. And then I'm gonna take my gel and I'm gonna put it like through my hair. And then I'm gonna make sure I got some on the ends. And so now I'm gonna start from the bottom and I'm just gonna like take sections. I'm not taking super small sections because for one, I don't like super small curls in the back. I'm rubbing my fingers against it, trying to make sure like I have like all of the product on my hair. And then I am curling the ends. Okay, so I'm at the top of my head and I think I'm gonna go with the middle part. I'm not sure. If all else fails, I will put it up or do something to it. I don't know. But this is what I have so far. So I'm finally done with my hair. It's still wet, so I'm gonna let it air dry. This side is drying and this side is wet, so I'm gonna give it some hours to dry. Like I said, I'm not gonna put any heat to it or anything. I'm just going about my day. I actually have some work to do, so I'm gonna finish my work, and I'm pretty positive by the time that I am finished, it should be fairly dry. So my hair is dry. It's fully dry and it's still super curly, and I really like this look, and I actually think that I'm not gonna pick it out just because it's so curly. But yes, this is how my hair turned out. If you did find yourself liking this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next go round.